Okay, you guys, it's Christmas Eve. I hope you all are ready for Santa. So let's see what is in day 12. Uh-oh, here we go. Just rip it open. Oh, okay. We've got eyeshadow. I had to pop that out. We have eyeshadow, which are some pretty nude colors. It did come with an applicator. I won't swatch this, but I will let you look at the colors. Very, very nice. I may just give this to someone. And it is so cute. So let's go ahead and recap everything that I got. This is day 1, a creamy lipstick from LA Colors. A loose powder, gold powder eyeshadow for day 2. Another lipstick creamy lipstick for LA Colors. Day 3. Day 4, we have some blush. Vanilla scented lip balm for day 5. A lip gloss for day 6. Got some fuzzies on there. That's for day 6. Day 7, a black eyeliner pencil. Day 8, lip gloss. 9, more lip gloss. 10, a polish. And 11, a lip gloss. And 12, the eyeshadow palette. So you guys, let me know what you think of this video. If you've enjoyed with me sharing my little surprises for 12 days until Christmas Eve. You guys have a wonderful Christmas and holiday season. Have fun with your family. I'll see you next time. Bye.